Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need a compatible AirPods model and an iPhone or iPad running the current iOS. Once paired, you can start Live Listen. First, pair your AirPods in Settings Bluetooth and verify they're connected. Next, add the hearing control to Control Center so you can toggle the assistive feature quickly. Do this now, make sure AirPods are seated in your ears and the device volume is moderate. Once done, we'll switch on Live Listen and adjust mic placement to capture sound clearly. Open Control Center and tap the hearing icon, then enable Live Listen. This routes audio from your iPhone's microphone straight to your AirPods. You'll hear environmental sound in real time, so make sure your iPhone's microphone faces the person or sound source. Once Live Listen is active, adjust iPhone distance. 1 to 3 feet is usually ideal to reduce echo and background noise. Also, use the volume controls on the iPhone to fine-tune loudness. Make sure noise cancellation or transparency modes are set how you prefer. Finish by refining placement and settings. Move the iPhone mic slightly, change volume, and try both AirPods in case one channel is weak. If you experience lag, intermittent audio, or dropouts, move the iPhone nearer, turn Bluetooth off and on, and reconnect the AirPods. Make sure no heavy Wi-Fi congestion or Bluetooth interference is nearby. If problems persist, update iOS, reset and repair the AirPods, or test Live Listen with a different iPhone. This single method, Live Listen, is the built-in way to use AirPods as a hearing aid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.